Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Piyush Kumar Chaube and I am going to launch a foundation comprehensive course on PSIR for 2022. Now, before going into detail what will be the structure of this course, first I would like to congratulate my students who qualified this year with flying colors with very good ranks. For example, 54 rank is there, 71 rank is there, 123 rank is there, 185 rank is there, and I would say numerous numbers are there. And very interesting thing what I found, they are quite consistent in their PSIR option. Their score were ranging around 285 to 300. Abhishek, his rank was 276, score was 300. You can find Kunal's score is 282, Krishna's score is 287. There are a lot of students who are stuck between 285, 300. Why I am using the word stuck? Because I believe there is a potential to score more, but definitely they are into service, so best wishes to them. Now let's come back how I am going to deliver this course to you. First important thing, this is going to be in format of lecture. Now, so these lectures are going to include flow charts. It will be full of diagrams and finally mind maps. Now I termed it basically as a micro note. So at any point of time you want to revise, just flip it. There will be broader framework of lectures in your mind. The quality of lectures will from basic to advanced. So those who haven't ever studied, they will be able to learn and they gradually move to the next level advanced. Every year 2-3 questions are of the advanced level. A lot of knowledge analysis is required. This is what lectures. The second important feature of this program you will find out is basically my doubt clearing and discussion sessions. These doubt clearing and discussion sessions regarding this topic what I have covered. In fact, in discussions, I will be focusing on previous year questions and whatever the doubt you face, because many of you may be from non-background. A special thing I did about this doubt session that I fix it by 9 p.m. So anyone who missed lecture or try to watch later or working professionals, at least in doubt and discussion sessions, they can directly talk to me. Third important feature is basically study material. Now, study material it will be in format of PDF, and I make regular updates to the student. If anything new happen, specifically in field of international relations, I continue to update and made material and share with my students. This study material, I am talking about this PDF and micro notes, are complete package. There is no need to study any book. There is no need to study any, you can say, notes, articles, nothing else. This is going to be complete. Definitely, for some upgradations, I would suggest to go through for some important websites and some specified articles. But it's not something like every day you have to go. One more thing you will find out, I provide normally book reviews. These book reviews are of new books published in 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, even in 22, upcoming. So you'll find out these book reviews are going to help you in value addition, tests is an important part. With every section get completed, we'll conduct test, and in that test, I'll help you to frame answers. Your answers will be checked by me. Apart from that, there will be discussions over how you can improve your answer writing skills. There is a one more feature, I call it basically regular answer writing. This regular answer writing will be in a self-assessment mode, where questions will be given and frame of the answer will be from my side, but you have to write and you have to match, and this is something like you have to do every week. The purpose of this regular answer writing program, because answer writing is a very important content or very important component of this entire program, and to score high, this is very much required. One cannot learn answer writing just in one day. It is a regular phenomenon. Until unless you write it regularly, you practice, you make mistake, then improve. This is how you learn basically how to write. Students who qualify, even they appearing for the next attempt, they go for answer writing. And everyone prefer answer writing because that's the last thing which made your impression in front of the examiners. Content is fine until unless you are able to deliver that content, it's have a whole not much meaning. So if I'll try to conclude this, purpose of all these lectures to make you learn. This is one of the important purpose. Second important purpose, apart from making you learn, is basically you should be able to recollect, or what I say, retain. And then finally, you should be able to write or deliver. This is how this circle of preparation get completed. And when it comes to duration of courses, it is going to be 4.5 to 5 months. Entire syllabus will be covered, and even there are a lot of topics which is not mentioned in syllabus. UPSC consistently asks questions over there that will be also going to get covered in this comprehensive course. So best wishes from my side, guys. Looking forward to meet you very soon. Thank you to all of you.